This video analyzes the rising interest in sodium-ion batteries as an alternative to lithium-ion batteries, particularly in the context of the Indian electric vehicle (EV) market. It highlights the challenges faced by lithium-ion batteries, such as cost and environmental concerns, and suggests that sodium-ion batteries could address some of these issues. This video will delve into the details of sodium-ion batteries, their advantages and limitations, and their potential impact on the EV market in India. Hi friend! Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 92% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Now let us delve into the analysis of the subject matter. Sodium-ion batteries versus lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries have been the preferred choice for EVs due to their high energy density, which provides more power per kilogram. However, this comes at a cost, both economically and environmentally. Lithium-ion batteries are expensive to manufacture, and the extraction of lithium has notable environmental impacts. Safety concerns. One critical aspect to be highlighted is the safety concern associated with lithium-ion batteries. The differentiation between nickel-manganese-cobalt (NMC) and lithium iron phosphate (LFP) chemistry is noteworthy. While NMC batteries offer higher energy density, they are more volatile and pose safety risks, especially in accidents. In contrast, LFP batteries discharge noxious gases rather than exploding in similar situations. This insight underscores the importance of exploring alternative battery technologies, such as sodium-ion batteries. Supply and demand dynamics. Let us now look at the issue of supply and demand in the lithium-ion battery market. The exponential growth in EV adoption is expected to result in a significant increase in lithium demand, potentially leading to shortages and price hikes. This could make EVs less affordable, hindering their widespread adoption. We might as well rightly emphasize that the production of sodium-ion batteries is crucial to sustaining the EV boom, particularly in India. Sodium-ion batteries as a viable alternative. Sodium-ion batteries offer a promising solution to the challenges associated with lithium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries cannot match the range of lithium-ion batteries. Still, they present unique advantages, particularly in applications where a shorter driving range is acceptable, such as city cars and mini vehicles. Moreover, sodium-ion batteries perform exceptionally well in cold temperatures, making them suitable for regions with harsh climates. Make in India, and Make for India. We must, here, underscore the significance of domestic battery production, aligning with the Make in India and Make for India initiatives. The ability to fabricate sodium-ion battery materials in-house can reduce dependence on imported lithium resources and promote self-reliance in battery production, aligning with India's economic and environmental goals. Limitations of sodium-ion batteries. While sodium-ion batteries offer promise, it is essential to acknowledge their limitations. We should point out that their energy densities currently range from 100 Wh per kilogram to 160 Wh per kilogram, and are comparable to lithium iron phosphate batteries. This implies that they are on par with an existing technology but have room for improvement. Additionally, the technology is less mature than lithium-based alternatives, necessitating further research and development efforts. The future of sodium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries hold great potential as a game-changing technology in the EV market. However, their commercial availability is yet to be fully realized. While there are challenges to overcome, such as energy density and technological maturity, sodium-ion batteries offer a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution that aligns with India's electrification goals. Hence, we should rightly highlight the importance of adequate sodium-ion battery production to ensure the continued impressive growth of the EV sector in India. Recommendations. 1. Investment in research and development. To overcome the limitations of sodium-ion batteries, it is crucial to invest in research and development efforts aimed at improving their energy density and overall performance. 2. Collaboration with industry. Government agencies, research institutions, and private companies should collaborate to accelerate the development and production of sodium-ion batteries in India. Currently, a lot of such initiatives are being taken in India, and rightly so. 3. Promotion of sodium-ion technology. Government incentives and policies should promote the adoption of sodium-ion technology in the Indian EV market, making it an attractive option for manufacturers and consumers. 4. Environmental impact assessment. As sodium-ion batteries become more prevalent, it is essential to conduct a comprehensive environmental impact assessment to ensure that their production and disposal do not result in unforeseen ecological consequences. 5. Public awareness. Public awareness campaigns can educate consumers about the benefits of sodium-ion batteries and their role in reducing the environmental footprint of EVs. In conclusion, the emergence of sodium-ion batteries as an alternative to lithium-ion batteries in the Indian EV market is a significant development. While challenges exist, including energy density and technological maturity, sodium-ion batteries offer a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution. Our emphasis on domestic production aligns with India's Make in India and Make for India initiatives, making sodium-ion batteries a compelling candidate for powering the future of electric mobility in the country. Adequate investment, research, and collaboration are key to realizing the full potential of this technology and ensuring the continued growth of the EV sector in India. In one of our future videos, shortly, we shall discuss various details regarding sodium-ion batteries such as the historical perspective, how they basically operate, stages of development, current progress and future outlook. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends and in your social media networks so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.